Hi and welcome to Chef's Gear. Today we'll be talking about vacuum sealers, so stay tuned. Vacuum sealers and the sous vide method is getting more and more popular, and it's not only reserved for high-end restaurants anymore, because it's readily available in stores and it's not that expensive anymore. However, I cannot imagine working in a commercial kitchen without one of these devices. So let's talk about the three advantages or the three functions the vacuum sealers have in the kitchen, whether it's home or commercial. First of all, we all face the restriction of space. Whether it's home or commercial, we always, fight for every single inch of space in the kitchen. So let's imagine you can reduce the amount of space your product is taking. For instance, I just cut up the Mirepoix for a stock, so basically used as much of product as it is. Let's see what happens. So first I'm using the little one. As you can see, there's only a few functions there, so there's already preset times and powers. So basically what you do, you just place the bag inside, drop it and press vacuum. And that's all it takes. It takes about 30 seconds to suck all the air out and seal the bag. And when the lights go off, it is ready, so you can open it up. The bag is sealed, and as you can see, it takes much less space than it would normally. All right, second thing, and second problem in any kitchen is the freshness of your ingredients. If you can prolong the shelf life of any of your items by even 1 day, it's already a saving. So, especially with seafood, like I have salmon here, it takes about 2-3 days until it loses its qualities and you have to chuck it away. So if you can prolong that time by even 1 day, you're already saving a little bit of money. So let's use the older brother. And with this one, you already have a couple of more functions. You can actually preset your own times for sealing time. So you can either make the bag just about seal and you can open it up and reuse it, or you can permanently seal it. And as well, you can set the vacuum time, which is to use the pressure in the bag. So you can have either more or less pressure. So for my salmon, let's set the time, sealing time for 5 seconds. That's absolutely enough to seal the bag permanently. And let's set the vacuum time for maximum 10 seconds because I don't want too much of pressure in the bag because it will destroy the fillet. So same thing, you just open it up, place it like so, and whoops, and close it. Start, and it takes 10 seconds to suck all the air out without too much pressure, as I said, and just 5 seconds to seal the bag, and that's it. So as you can see, the bag is permanently sealed, no oxidization happening, so you can hold the salmon for at least 4 to 5 days without losing any quality. Alright, so the third function, and I think it's one of the most important functions as well, is infusing flavors, additional flavors. Because you are containing all the flavors in the bag, you can cook them sous vide, so on a low temperature, and you can put a lot of extra flavors into the bag. So basically what I did, I took a steak, I already put some seasoning on it, I put some Tabasco sauce, I like my steak spicy, I put some Worcestershire sauce and a bit of garlic. You can put a lot of herbs in it as well. You can put it in a vacuum sealer, just like that. I leave the settings just as it was. I just don't want to smash the steak too much. Press start. So again, 10 seconds to seal. It sucked all the air out, and 5 seconds to seal. And that's done. So this way, it will not only retain its freshness, it will not oxidize, it will not go gray, but you're also infusing a lot of flavor from the cracked pepper and the cumin and the Tabasco and the Worcestershire and the garlic. So what you do afterwards, you just heat up the pan and drop the steak from the bag as it is, and have a really nice and aromatic steak. In the next episode, I'll always show you how to vacuum seal liquids, warm dishes and such, and how to use all the options on the device. And in the next episode, I will show you how to operate this beast. So if you have a large restaurant, that's the device to go. Okay folks, that's all I have for vacuum sealers in this episode. I hope you liked the clip. If you did, just hit the like button. If you want to see more of us, hit subscribe. Of course, hit the bell button to be up to date with our latest productions. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.